It's raining. As you can see by the pool, it is raining. And that is quite sad because I don't get to do some stuff. Don't get to practice my hockey or cricket. So that's quite sad. I don't get to go on my trampoline, which is even more sad. But I could play some hockey or soccer. There's all the stuff in it. It'd be quite cool. But no, the crocodiles died. Sharks dead pretty much. Since there is rain, it's come back to life and drowned. Where about the shark? Are you serious? Shark? 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 No. No. That shark's dead. Sorry, shark. So, if you want me to do more random vlogs, just tell me and I will. I'm going to do some hockey vlogs. Comment down below, because I would like to show you my goalie kit that I got for hockey this season, 2009 season. And if you want to do hockey, go to Melville Hockey Club, best hockey club ever. And there's like this presentation night for years 4 upwards, and there's bouncy castles and stuff, which is really cool. And that's only at Melville, I think. So, see you in the next one. Bye.